The culture of Africa is incredibly interesting due to the fact it is varied depending on which country you visit. The continent is home to diverse populations, many of which have been influenced by external factors. Each country has its own tribes, languages, and cultural differences. Even small African countries like Uganda have more than 30 established tribes. You're welcome to my channel, Zulu Queens, where you would find the beauty of African Zulu paradise. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the notification icon, like, comment, and share for more videos. We will now take a look at some of the most well-established products of African culture, including tribes, food, arts, and language. The Zulu are the largest ethnic group in South Africa. They are well known for their beautiful brightly colored beads and baskets as well as other small carvings. The Zulu believe that they are descendants from a chief from the Congo area, and in the 16th century migrated south, picking up many of the traditions and customs of the San, who also inhabited this South African area. During the 17th and 18th centuries, many of the most powerful chiefs made treaties and gave control of the Zulu villages to the British. This caused much conflict because the Zulu had strong patriarchal village government systems, so they fought. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the notification icon, like, comment, and share for more beautiful videos. Hirit dance is an ancient tradition of the Swazi and Zulu people with the aim of paying respect to women and preparation of girls to their womanhood. This annual ceremony is a centuries-old tradition known as the Umkhosi Womlanga. The festival name derives from the riverbed reeds, the central attributes of the event. Celebrations take place in early September at the Enyokini Royal Palace in Nongoma, KwaZulu-Natal. Upon passing the virginity test, thousands of Zulu girls are led by their senior princess and proceed by carrying the reeds, singing, and dancing. They don't wear many clothes but are in traditional accessories instead. These accessories are defined by their beadwork, which greatly emphasizes traditional beauty. The procession finally approaches the king, who receives all the reeds as a gift. When the reed dance ceremony is over, it's time for the king's speech. He usually states the importance of the girls. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the notification icon, like, comment, and share for more beautiful videos.